Hello students, class 9 and 10 students, number system, real numbers. Very important question we are going to do today. Proof that root 5 is an irrational number. It could be root 5, it could be root 2, it could be root 3. Any kind of proof could be given. It's very important question both of your CBSE and ICSE board exam as well as in your class exam too. Most of the times ये question आता है. So Devashish again from Devs Learning Hub, my YouTube channel Devs Learning Hub and my Facebook page to Devs Learning Hub. Most of the students, they are very much confused how to prove that. What is the logic behind it? They don't get exactly. So try to understand this logic here, and it's more 90% cases this question will come in your board exam, either root 5, root 2, root 3, whatever in whatever form, but this is the process. We will start with method of contradiction. So it is saying proof that root 5 is irrational number. We will assume, suppose root 5 is rational number. If root 5 is rational number, that is what we assume, then what happens? Let's see. So if we assume root 5 is a rational number, then as per the definition of rational number, कैसे हम लोग लिख सकते हैं? We can write down root over 5 equals to a by b, not in the form of equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction क्या होता है? Let's say 2 by 5. You can say 2 by 5 equals to, if you multiply both numerator and denominator with 2, ये क्या होता है? 2 by 5 equals to 4 by 20 और 6 by 15. तो हम लोग ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे रूट 5 इक्वल्स टू a by b, दैट इज द लीस्ट फ्रैक्शन, राइट, जहां पे a एंड b ये दोनों का कोई कॉमन फैक्टर नहीं है अदर देन 1. सो लीस्ट फ्रैक्शन. सो लेट्स एज्यूम रूट 5 इक्वल्स टू a by b where a and b have no common factors other than 1. So a and b have no common factors other than 1. So if root over 5 equals to a by b, and now if we square both sides, that means we can write down a equals to 5b square, right? So if a equals to 5b square, sorry, a square equals to 5b square. So if a square equals to 5b square, that means a square is a multiple of 5. Right? 5b square multiplied by 5 equals to a square. उसका मतलब क्या होता है? If a square is a multiple of 5, if a square is a multiple of 5, that means a is also a multiple of 5. Here most of the students get confused. Exactly, they don't understand. I am giving you a simple number example. Let's say 36. 36, right? It is 6 square. So 36 is a multiple of 2. So if 36 is a multiple of 2, 2 into 18, then root over 36, that is equals to 6. That is also a multiple of 2. Got it? So if a square, so a square equals to 36, a square is this is a multiple of 2, 2 into 18. That means root over of a, that is 6, that is also a multiple of 2. So therefore if a square equals to a square is a multiple of 5, that means a is also a multiple of 5. So हम लोग ऐसा लिख सकते हैं, जो assume a equals to 5m. m is an integer. a equals to 5m. That is what we got from here. That means here you should write down a is a multiple of 5. Got it? So a is a multiple of 5. Since a square is a multiple of 5, from this equation a square equals to 5b square. Okay, now since a equals to 5m, so now we replace this value 5m here in the equation, a square equals to 5b square. That means what we can say? From a square equals to 5b square, you replace a with 5m, that means 5m whole square equals to 5b square, that means 25m square equals to 5b square. So b square equals to 5m square. So here you got, so if b square equals to 5m square, that means b is a multiple of 5 with the same logic here. A equals to a square equals to 5b square. So if b square equals to 5m square, that means b square is a multiple of 5. So if b square is a multiple of 5, uska matlab b is also a multiple of 5. So that means we can say b equals to, let's say, 5n. If b is a multiple of 5, let's assume n is another integer. So b equals to 5n. So यहाँ से कैसे क्या देख रहे हैं हम लोग, a equals to 5m, a is the, we have already assumed root 5 equals to a by b. We have already assumed root 5 equals to a by b. Now हम लोग ऑलरेडी एज्यूम कर चुका है जो a and b have no common factors other than a, बट यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं, a का मल्टीपल 5 है, b का भी मल्टीपल 5 है, b is also मल्टीपल ऑफ 5 and a is also मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. उसका मतलब a और b दोनों का कॉमन फैक्टर है 5. सो हियर वी आर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग. दैट मीन्स एज्यूमिंग रैशनल वी कैनॉट प्रूफ. सो वी आर कॉन्ट्राडिक्टिंग दिस स्टेटमेंट. दैट मीन्स root 5 is not rational what we assumed initially. Suppose root 5 is rational number. That means root 5 is not a rational number. Root 5 is irrational number. Got it? So it is a method of contradiction. First assume root 5 is a rational number. You express rational number in the form of a by b, and this a by b is not in the form of equivalent fraction. ये कौन सा फ्रैक्शन में है? ये लीस्ट फ्रैक्शन, जहां पे a एंड b ये दोनों का कोई कॉमन फैक्टर है नहीं अदर देन 1. ठीक है. उसका बाद हम लोग देख रहे हैं जो a इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 5, यहां पे हम लोग देख रहे हैं b इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 5. सो ये a और b दोनों का तो कॉमन फैक्टर एक छोड़ के और कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. मतलब ये 5 जो मल्टीपल नहीं हो सकते, उसका मतलब ये स्टेटमेंट इज कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी स्टेटमेंट. इट्स नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर, एक्चुअली इट्स एन इरेशनल नंबर. सो root 5 is irrational. Proved. Got it? So this is very common question. It could be root 5, ये root 3 भी दे सकता है, root 7 भी दे सकता है, लेकिन same process. ठीक है? Very common question both in CBSE and ICSE board exam as well as in your school or class exam too. ठीक है? So if you have liked this video, please click on the like button, and if you would like to have this kind of video again and again, to get the notification, please subscribe my channel Dev's Learning Hub and follow my Facebook page to Dev's Learning Hub. Thank you very much.